What is going on? So we are here in Charleston, South Carolina. This is going to be my first time ever trying a soft shell crab sandwich. I'm a little bit excited and a little bit nervous. All right, so we just grabbed, well, me, Miss Ryda's in the car. We about to go over here by this boardwalk and sit down by the water and see what this tastes like. All right, so this is my first time seeing the sandwich as well as y'all's. Let's open this. Okay, that's awkward. That is awkward. It literally looks like a crab. All right, let's see what this thing's gonna taste like. Looking like it got a little sauce right here. I'm gonna throw on there and we gonna dive in. All right, y'all, we about to go in for the first bite. What is that? That's an arm hanging out.
That is an arm.
Straight up arm, cuz. Okay. Okay. I ain't gonna lie. That joint hitting. That is banging. I'm gonna take one more bite, then I'm gonna eat my sandwich. Then I'll tell y'all about it, because I ain't about to just sit here and hold it up. I'm gonna enjoy it. Because she got some little fries down here. I know it's usually motorcycle content, but today it's big backery. Let's do it. That is a good sandwich. That's a good sandwich. All right, so I just finished up the sandwich. I will have to say, if you have not tried one of those, you need to do so. I'm not a food review channel, so I don't know how to tell y'all about the crispiness of it, but it was a good sandwich. Like, it was not what I expected it to be. It just tastes like a good, almost like a crab cake sandwich or something like that, but better. It was slamming. But let's check out some of these views.
Infinit Ryda.